Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Paridhi, your dental mate, sharing with you my simplified versions of dental learning. Today in this video we'll be discussing about benign migratory glossitis. So this is a developmental disturbance of tongue. Okay. In the previous video we have seen about the median rhomboid glossitis. In that we have seen that in the midline, just interior to the circumvallate papillae, there is inflammation of tongue of rhomboidal shape. Okay. So here if we discuss about the benign migratory glossitis, with the term it is clear that here also there is inflammation of tongue seen. Okay. And this inflammation, it is a benign condition and it is migratory, means ये अपनी location change करता रहता है, कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ कभी, means it keeps on changing its location. Okay, so it is actually what? It is a benign psoriasiform mucositis of the dorsum of the tongue. Okay, there is inflammation of the dorsum of the tongue and this has an unknown etiology, but it increases, that is the severity of this condition increases due to the psychological stress और in the और in persons with psoriasis of skin. मतलब अगर skin में psoriasis है तो इस lesion की severity और increase हो जाएगी, और it could be also because of psychological stress. Okay, and we have seen that in the median rhomboid glossitis it was having a male predilection with the ratio of 3:1. This benign migratory glossitis, it is having a female predilection with the ratio of 2:1. Okay, next this lesion, it is more common in the anterior 2/3 of tongue. Okay, so ये जो है benign migratory glossitis, ये anterior 2/3 of tongue में ज़्यादा दिखेगा and it has what? It has multiple well demarcated, remember my point, these lesions are well demarcated, multiple zones of erythema, and here the erythema is due to the atrophy of the filiform papillae. So here there is atrophy of the filiform papillae, whereas in the median rhomboid glossitis there was atrophy of filiform, along with that fungiform was also involved. Okay, so these atrophic areas, suppose यहाँ पे atrophy हो गई, यहाँ पे, now these atrophic areas, these are slightly elevated and they are covered with yellowish white lines. ये in yellowish white lines in atrophic areas को surround करती है. Okay, and these have a serpentine or scalloped border, या तो snake like serpentine or they have scalloped borders. Okay, these जो ये serpentinous white lines हैं, serpentinous white lines which are seen or characteristic of benign migratory glossitis, these lines they have a continuous changing pattern. Okay, so ये जो lines हैं ये change होते रहती है, अभी जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, उसके बाद इस एरिया से हट के वो ऐसे दिखने लग जाएगा, मतलब ये अपना पैटर्न जो है ये lines continuously change करते रहती हैं. Okay, so because they have the continuous changing pattern, therefore this lesion, that is the benign migratory glossitis, it is also known as wandering rash of tongue. Because of the continuous changing pattern of the serpentinous white lines, it is also known as wandering rash of tongue. And along with that, see ये जो white lines हैं, these lesions ये small white patches की तरह develop होते हैं, उसके बाद एक atrophic zones में convert हो जाते हैं. देखो मतलब ये tongue के center में small white patches होंगे, उसके बाद वो क्या करते हैं, it spreads centrifugally. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये जो lesion है ये कैसे spread होता है, centrifugal pattern से spread होता है. And these white lines they also demarcate the continental outlines of globe. ठीक है, जैसे globe में जो continents की outline होती है उसी pattern में ये white lines, some scientists found that these white lines are representing those global outlines. Therefore these are all, this is also known as, this condition is also known as geographic geographic tongue. Okay, so it has two synonyms, one is the wandering rash of tongue and one is the geographic tongue. Next, if we talk about the histological features, in the histopathological sections, what is seen, there is hyperparakeratosis and spongiosis. What is spongiosis? It is the intercellular edema. ठीक है, cells के बीच में edema दिखेगा. There is also acanthosis seen. There is elongation of the epithelial retiridges. Monro's abscess, which is what? Micro abscesses in the epithelium. इसमें Monro's abscess भी दिखते हैं. That is the micro abscess or collection of the neutrophils within the epithelium. Next, there are various inflammatory cells like lymphocytes and neutrophils in the lamina propria also seen. And see, sometimes what happens, there is intense neutrophilic infiltrate in this, okay, and this intense neutrophilic infiltrate, it is responsible for the destruction of the superficial epithelium. मतलब जो superficial layers of epithelium होंगे वो destroy कर देता है intense neutrophilic infiltrate, and therefore there is atrophic reddened mucosa. Along with that, an important factor which is seen here in this lesion is that this lesion is associated with a syndrome called as Reiter's syndrome. So this lesion is seen in association with this syndrome, which is the Reiter's syndrome. Here, और क्या क्या features दिखते हैं Reiter's syndrome में? There is non-gonococcal urethritis. Okay, first there is non-gonococcal urethritis. There is arthritis. Also, there is conjunctivitis seen. And with these three, there is what? Geographic tongue, that is the benign migratory glossitis seen. Okay, so in Reiter's syndrome क्या क्या दिखता है? Non-gonococcal urethritis, arthritis, conjunctivitis and geographic tongue. And if we talk about the treatment part, then there is no proper treatment of this lesion. Only topical corticosteroids, that is beta-methanosone gel दे सकते हैं to subside the inflammatory processes जो भी होंगे, या फिर जो भी patient को अगर burning sensation या कुछ भी हो रहा है उसको subside करने के लिए topical corticosteroid applications can be done. Okay, so this is it about the benign migratory glossitis or the geographic tongue or the wandering rash of tongue in associated with Reiter's syndrome. It has a centrifugal pattern of growth. There is atrophy of the filiform papillae with female predilection of 2:1. Now do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss the latest updates. Do let me know in the comment section below if this video has helped you in any ways, as this would boost me to make videos of even better versions for you all. Stay tuned, keep visiting. Thank you.